It's genuinely wild. Uh, just looking at this room right now.
Uh, what am I looking at?
Hmm.
Just look like Mama Mitchell stress to me. Okay. Everyone is tired and drinking too much coffee.
Okay. Like, not just that though. Like, look at the people walking past the glass doors. Half of them are bumping each other because their eyes are glued down to the bottom to their hole. Like, just look at the freshmen over there in a charging station. They basically at the exact sofa, like shoulder to shoulder, but they just silence for last 80 minutes. What do you think?
Seeking is yeah, hanging out but engineering is order. I see that loot. It's like watching kampus zombie.
Exactly. Campus zombie. It really freaked me out a bit, but to be honest, we are in university, and this is supposed to be absolute peak of our social life. Like, we will meet each other in when we are go to marriage or something. I mean, this is must be our peak of social life, not just using some handphone or something like that. Yeah.
I get what you mean. It's look the elite set, but are we really less social? Maybe we just socialist in a different way now. A more filtered way.
Filtered way. Filtered way. I think that's a perfect word for it. Like, because if you think about it, the friction we used to have, even just a few years ago, if you wanted to ask a classmate a question about an assignment, you actually had to walk up to them after a lecture, and then you make some eye contact and do the small talk and blah 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 before you get read the room like that.
Oh, I mean, asking a stranger for not was the worst. My heart uses to beat too fast.
Right, but the awkwardness builds social muscle. You learn how to break the ice. Like, uh, look at the classroom before the professor walks in. 10 years ago, people will turn to the person next to them and chat. What happened now?
Now, you're everyone, she's done and immediately, but their airport in boom, what's up?
Precisely. The airport wall, we use technology as an invisible shield. If a conversation gets a tiny bit awkward, we panic. We just drop an anonymous message in the class WhatsApp group or pull out our phone. Like, we use the internet to escape the mildest social discomfort.
Okay, group chat and reboot make it easy to hit. But let me look and the other side for a second. We lose the face-to-face time, sure, but think about how easy it is to connect now. Like my game, the club, I work now. Those guys without the campus Discord server for people white where hobby or social entity.
Yeah.
The internet helped them. But
Yeah, it's really true. I cannot deny that. Like, The network aspect, the ability to find your specific crowd across the globe is incredible. But my concern is about the depth of everyday interaction. How your game dev club, which is awesome because it's shared physical activity eventually. But what about the endless scrolling of Instagram or TikTok?
Yeah, everyone is so happy and rich on Instagram.
Exactly.
But in really life, everyone here is broke, and stress about exam is fake.
Yeah, exactly. It's entirely fake. Like sitting in the student corner, supposed studying, but actually just swiping through 50 seconds of video or watching everyone's current highlight reels. Like you comparing your messy, stressful behind the scene, really with someone else perfectly filtered movie trailer. Are we actually connecting with our peers? Or are we just quietly judging each other from a distance?
Oh, wow, that's crazy. But it makes sense. It makes me wonder about the future. If kids only talk from a screen,
Hmm.
how do they learn to really care about other like real empathy?
Okay, okay. And the scary part is our brain are being tricked. You reply to a friend's story with a fire emoji, and your brain goes, "Cool, social interaction complete." Quote me, quota meet. Like, but it's all empty. It's a cheap dopamine hits replacing the heavy, beautiful reality of the deep face-to-face conversation. Yeah. Like, have you ever felt your phone vibrate in your pocket? But when you check it, there's no notification.
Yeah, last week. I tried to talk a guy in cafeteria. I just said, "Hey, how is the food?" He just looked at me, gave a thumb up emoji in real life, uh, and looked back down at this point. It feels so weird.
It feels so weird. Yeah, he literally emoji reacted to you in real life. That's the exact what I mean. Like, if you can just close the app or put your iPods in, you never learn conflict resolution. You just ghost people. You block them. It's too easy to erase someone from your digital life when things get complicated, and when relationships have no stake, they become disposable.
But he really doesn't. We can just throw away our phone.
Yeah.
We need the internet for email, Canva, research, and group project. We need it to service colleague. So, what is the actual solution?
The No, I'm not saying we are going to go into full cap. Sorry. I'm not saying like we are going to full caveman and move to the mountain. It's about intentionality, like it realizing that the smartphone is a tool, not a permanent extension of our bone.
Being international. I like that. Meaning, if we're are hanging out, you are really there with me. Not looking at a group chat.
Yeah.
You give your full importance.
Yeah, spot on. It's been treating real life interaction as a secret. If we are sitting here to have coffee, the phone stay in the backpack. We have activated the algorithm that wants to steal our attention.
It's crazy. That really relativity has to schedule offline time. Now we have to force ourselves to be present in real world.
Yeah, precisely. We have to reclaim our humanity. Speaking of which,
Oh, yeah.
my phone is been vibrating against my leg for the last minute. Probably the group project drama. Yeah, I just ignore that.
Oh, yeah. Are you going to check it and join to campus Zombie?
Nope. Let him wait. The deadline isn't until midnight anyway. So what are you saying earlier about the new game PC? Your uh, your club is working on?
Hmm.
Your game dev club?
Uh, you should chase, man. Anyway, the new game engine is pretty cool.
Hmm.
We are trying to make the graffiti feel more realistic.
Hmm. Okay, that's very good for you. Just keep on the uh, game dev organization you have that. Okay, Jose. Okay, thank you very much. Cyber University.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
just